So let's begin the sound recorder. Just go to Start, Programs, Accessories and click on Sound Recorder. The sound recorder window is on your screen. Remember, if you want to record a voice in the computer, you must connect a microphone or a headphone to it. Now click on the red button to start recording and speak clearly into the microphone. Click the stop button whenever you are done. A Save As dialog box will appear on the screen asking whether you want to save what you just recorded. So now you can save your own recording by just naming the sound file and selecting a drive in the computer. Playing the recorded sound. If you want to listen to your own recording, then simply double-click on the file and it shall open. Now click on the play button and your recording will start playing. While listening, you can pause by clicking on the pause button and later continue playing by clicking on the same button. If you no longer wish to hear the record, you can click on the stop button.